Hey, what's up, AMP holder? This video is very important for all of you now, my brothers. So kindly must watch this video because in this video I will predicate this coin will. I will give you some more information about my brother ANP. So kindly must watch and please don't skip any second of this video, my brother. And this video, especially my brother, a short-time investor asked me to can in August they will give us a profit or not. So I will clearly tell you, my brother, to in August can this coin will moving upward, they will give you a profit or not, my brother. From last 1 month, AMP is going very good now, and definitely as you can see, my brother, completely in the profit now after a short phase. You can see after the mid of month, July 22, you can see here they will starting moving upward now, and definitely it's a very good move. But and you can see here in the start of this new month they were again fails down. So kindly hold it. Remember, my brothers, in the start of month every coin will fails down, but in the mid of month absolutely they will starting moving upward, and they will completely go in the moon now. So I know, my brothers, to upcoming time AMP will also give you a profit. Kindly, if you have any plan to invest more, so I think this time AMP you can see a 7.95% profit. Definitely they will give you a profit. 0.082144 USD dollar is the latest price, and I know, my brothers, to upcoming times they will give you a profit. So kindly holders, if you have any plan, so please don't my friend invest for a long time. Definitely this coin is not good for a long time. Absolutely invest for a short time. I hope, my brothers, and just only invest for 1 month. I hope they will give you a profit. But if you have any plan to sell it, we are going to invest for 5 years, for 10 years. So I think AMP is not good and not compatible coin. So hope you understand. Please like video, don't forget to subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.